So this is the last video in the series of videos on WordPress website development course for absolute beginners. In this video, you're going to learn how to create your contact us page. My name is CM Manjunath and let's dive in. Click edit with Elementor. We're going to edit this. Right now, here's the background image. You know what to do. Click on that little section icon, head into the styles tab on the left side, replace the image, and I want the contact us right here, this one, to be styled the way we like it, and boom. You know what, unfortunately, because this background is slightly lighter in color, the contact us doesn't really pop. So what do? Click on that section again, and in here go to background overlay. We are increasing the opacity, so this is about 69%, which is not bad. And that way contact us pops. All right, as simple as that. Let's click update. Okay, let's look into this section. You can find this at, so instead of that, I'm going to use just say let's meet, like so. That's great. And then we have the email address. That's basically it. Now, what if I wanted this text to be, so I want these to be in the next line. So you'd want to use this little HTML code, which is lesser than symbol, type BR for break, and then the greater than symbol. So we have the location, all right, and the form is good. So you know what happens when somebody fills this form? It'll automatically go to the email address that you provided. So where do you find it? If you go to settings and then general, so whatever your email is here, whatever you input here, that's exactly where the email will reach when somebody fills out the form. All right, so the rest of it is all right. Here, change it to our team. That's the team of MI CrossFit. Click on save, and there we go. That's how it is done. So what do I want to do? I want to check if the email indeed reaches if somebody fills out the form. For that, you can go to your website URL, type webmail /webmail. All right, once you log into your website.com /webmail, you're going to see this. You can open this up. Send a message. And we have a contact form right there. And it says test@gmail.com, and this is a test message. Yeah, that works. All right, there are two more things that I just quickly want to bring your attention to, and then we'll close this. Right here, the social media icons. Now, if you have a Twitter account, you might want to have your Twitter ID right there. I do not have that, so I'm going to remove that. We have Instagram. So I'm going to go into instagram.com. That's the URL. I'm going to take that, head back in here. And for Instagram, I will choose that. I'm going to paste the Instagram link right there, update it. There's also a YouTube channel. And for YouTube, I'm going to paste it like so. You can do the same thing with Facebook, for example. Right here on the left side, you have an add item button. Click that. And now we can search for icon. We'll do Facebook, boom, like that. And pop that link like so and update it. So we have Instagram, YouTube, and Facebook. Awesome. That's wonderful. You are ready to launch your website. But before you do that, there are a couple of things that I want you to bear in mind. Head back to your dashboard, go into settings, and then reading settings. In here, if you remember, when we started developing the website, I told you that Google and other major search engines would be disallowed to crawl and index your website because it's under development. But now that your website is done, it's ready for launch, you might want to make sure that it's unchecked. This right here, search engine visibility, is unchecked. That's how you can ensure that Google and other major search engines can crawl and index your website. This is a crucial step. Please do so. And also, if you look at the homepage displays, for the home page, obviously our home page is going to show up. Let's say there is a blog article, there is a tutorial, you're giving a nutritional counseling update. You'd want to put that under blog posts. Remember right here, we spoke about that as well, dynamic content. So for that, you'd want to club all of these blog posts under the blog page. So post page should be blog, like so, and then click save changes. All right, I hope this was useful. It's been a lengthy series, but I wanted to go really in depth so that you understand the nitty-gritty details of developing a WordPress website from an absolute beginner's perspective. I hope this was useful. My name is CM Manjunath. If this is the kind of content that interests you, then I would highly recommend you to subscribe to this channel so that you get notifications every time this useful pieces of content are published on YouTube. Also, please give this video a like. That way we know that you benefited from this tutorial. My name is CM Manjunath and I will see you next time. God bless.